Having too many ideas and don't know which one to pick, you don't know which one to launch into as a business idea. If you are confused or selecting an idea, a business idea to choose to launch into, don't worry. You are multi-talented, you are multi-purpose, and you are struggling to pick an idea that can serve as a business idea. This video is for you. And don't forget to save this video to watch it again. So here are simple step-by-step guide on how you can choose an idea if you're a multi-talented or multi-purpose individual. What you need to do is you need to brain dump all the ideas that you know you have, all the ideas you know you are good at, the ideas that comes to you, the ideas that you want to execute. Write them down. Especially this video is for impact driven women. You're going to write them down. I am good at this. I want to do this. I don't filter. Write all of them. Get your paper. Get a journal, not just paper, so you will not mislead. Write down all these ideas. List them all. Now, the second step you need to take is to categorize these ideas by theme. What I mean by that is that this idea, there are some that are business related ideas. Categorize it. This is business related idea. There are ones that are just creative idea. There are ones that are just teaching or coaching idea. There are some that are mixed. They are business and coaching. So begin to list them, categorize them in this thing. The ones that are coaching, the one that are business related, the one that project needs, something like that. Once you're able to do these things, the next step you're going to do, which is the third step, is to filter these ideas using the 4P framework. I'm going to explain what this 4P framework means. One is the passion. Do I truly love this idea? Among these ideas you have listed, number one, when you select one of them, if it's baking, do I truly love this idea? Do I even want to bake? Like, as I said, listen to yourself and allow your body to speak, because your body have a way of revealing this answer. We'll get there. So begin to ask yourself, do I truly love this idea? That is the area of P, the passion. Then second, profitability. Can I make money from this? Can I make money from baking? Can I make money? How will you know? You can use Google to find out if people are searching for that idea. Or you can go to Amazon, you can go to Coursera, Udemy to see people have created courses for it. So this is how you know if you can make money from it. Okay, then the next P is practicality. So what you have to do here, you have to ask this person, can I start this thing now with what I have? Do I have the resources that can help me to start it now? This is how to validate if you can really launch it today. Do I have all the resources that can help me to start this thing now? Practicality. So practical. We wake up this morning and say, Ngozi, start this baking today. You start thinking, okay, I need to borrow. You need to ask yourself, can I really teach it? Especially when it's in the impact area. Do I have the knowledge that I can teach people? Do I have the necessary tools that I can use in teaching people? This is how to qualify if you can. Then the fourth P is the people. Are there people who are creating courses on this? Are there people who are building audience around this topic, this idea? You can still use Coursera, Udemy to find out if, and also on social media, type that name on the social media search engine so that it's going to show you if there are top niches, top coaches, top experts who are doing well on it. But when you type it and you're not seeing anything, my sister, you should be well informed that you're gonna be the only one. I have to build the faith, bring your money. So these are ways to qualify. Remember the 4P: passion, profitability, practicality, and people. Then the fourth thing you need to do, which is what I talked about initially, is listen to your intuition. As a woman, we have this feminine energy, divine feminine energy. If you have not activated your own, you need to learn how to activate it. And in some of my videos, I've already started talking about it. And if you want to learn more on how to activate it, do well to keep following me and keep engaging in my content, because I'll keep sharing content on it. I've already shared content on it and I'll keep sharing content on it. So your intuition already knows the right idea for you. So you just have to listen to it. Your intuition knows it. So, and how will you get this answer? When you get those ideas, you have first of all evaluated them using the 4 P's. The next thing is to stay still, take a deep breath, read out those ideas loud, and pay attention to your body, how your body reacts to it. Do you get it? Let me repeat. When you have qualified or validated this idea using the 4 P, the next thing is to sit still, take a deep breath, read out those ideas one after the other, and pay attention to how your body reacts to them. One, when you read out the first one, does it light you up? Do you feel excited? And does it inspire you? And do you feel expensive? Do you feel like, wow, let's start doing it? That's what I mean by expensive. Do you feel amazing, rich, feel money is in this? And secondly, when you read it, do you feel heavy, stressed, and anxious? This is a sign that, my dear, is going to put you into a hustle mode, going to move into your masculine energy. That means that's not your ideal divine purpose or idea, something like that. So, not minding who is paying, not minding who is doing. Look, you're looking at this, you're doing business that you can start using your divine feminine energy. You know, that's just it. Not just that everybody is making money from it, so you are different. So when you mention this word, if you feel light, you feel excited, and you feel expensive, like money is coming in, that's it. Mark it. But if you feel heavy, stressed, where do I start? Where do I do what? Anxious, mark that one bad. So this is a sign. Then the next step you need to take is to test the idea in the real world. Sis. Now we have qualified the idea. You may have picked up to 1, 2, or 3, at least one. Now the time is for you to test the idea in the real world. You know, show up. And how do you test it? You create your social media handle. Become serious. If the current social media handle is not going to serve this purpose, start a new one. Create a new one. Use your username that aligns with this business idea, and then your handle as well. Then add your bio statement of who you are, what you do, why you do it, and how you do it for them in a brief way. And then begin to post, begin to share content, show up, teaching people, sharing tips, guide, and mistakes people make in line with this business idea or this topic. Begin to show up as an expert you are, and have your own consistency. And that consistency should make you get seen or known by your ideal audience. Then once you're able to do this, the next thing you're going to do is advertise, start offering free content, free tips, and again, you can start creating freebie, because here you want to build a list, you want to build a community of people who will now begin to like you more there and begin to trust you. How to build this trust is by creating a freebie. Create a free tip where you say, okay, I've created a free guide. If you want to learn more, click the link or comment so, and I'll send it to you, or book a free so and so consultation so that I will speak. So this is a way to make them trust you, and there you offer them value, which if they get, they'll be like, what if I pay now? I believe I'll get more. So then the last thing you need to do is to stay flexible and adapt as you grow. You need to adapt, learn the things, the strategy. Don't overwhelm yourself. If you're going to choose 3 times in a week, or if you're going to choose at least once in a day, show up one content per day. If you get the muscle, you can start doing it twice a day or 3 times. Don't overwhelm yourself, but do it a way that it will allow you to still flow in your feminine energy. In one of my videos, I'm going to share how you can be in your flow, in your feminine energy while running your business. So, and keep learning. I don't know if you have any question at this point. If you have any question, I'm still opening the room to accepting just few number of people to a 30 minutes free discovery call. So if this is something you want to grab, so that you can ask me questions related to your business idea, just click the link in my bio to be part of people that will get this benefit. And don't forget to share this video to someone who will also need to learn from it. Save this video to watch it again to be able to implement what is in it. And remember to apply the rules and the framework as well. Till we meet in my next video. Bye for now.